And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 170. Let me show you the oil paint filter. As always, I copy the original using Ctrl J. And then I go to Filter, Stylize, and there is the oil paint option. First up, you can left click on the image to get a specific part in the preview window, and then you can zoom in and out. Let's go over the parameters. First up, we have the stylization. And this is basically the length of the strokes that are generated. Second one, the cleanliness, is the smoothness of these strokes. The scale is for the thickness. And the bristle detail is for these marks. You want to have them visible or not. Let me zoom in and you can see it a little bit better. It's actually the lighting that has the biggest impact. Make sure that it's checked. And then you have two parameters. The first one's for the angle, and the second one, the shine, is for the amount of lighting. And this is actually what makes the intensity, you could say. So if you go down, this oil paint effect will be decreased, and if you go up, it will be increased. And we go to around 3, maybe 4. I confirm. And it's going to be added. Keep in mind, this is not a smart filter, so we can't access this anymore. But you can apply that multiple times to the same image. But one problem is that if you do it too often, it's going to give you a glitch. And you can already see that by adding it 2 times to the same image, I get this glitch. So that's an issue of this filter that you have to deal with. From time to time you have to readjust it to not get the glitch. But usually at least adding it once should be fine for most images. And this is how you can use the oil filter in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.